Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is your host Shaharyar Jalaluddin and we welcome you all to the Virtual Job Fair 2023 presented by HR SeedForce in collaboration with MediTechx. This job fair is for every individual, especially for those who are unemployed, seeking new opportunities or is a fresh graduate because we have more than 150 open vacancies across Pakistan for you. Before moving forward to the vacancies, I would like to tell you a bit about HR SeedForce. HR SeedForce is an HR solution provider that offers all HR services, especially recruitment. Just like the right seed for the right plant, an organization also grow when they have the right resource for the right job. So we aim to find and place the right person for the right job. We also aim to conduct multiple webinars, podcasts, and career fairs that will contribute to the education side, especially in the field of HR. So, this is an overview of the HR Seed Course. Now, I would like to welcome our special guest, Ali Hasnan, the founder of MediTechx. Ali, please let the viewer know more about MediTechx.
Okay, so first of all, thank you, Mr. Shaharyar Jalaluddin, for handing over me the mic. So basically, what is MediTechx? MediTechx is basically an e-learning organization which aims to promote educational opportunities. Like what type of educational opportunities? It is for each and every person belonging to any background. Means it is either commerce, it is engineering, it is computer sciences, it is either of any of the background. We are there to help them out. By what means we help them out? We used to arrange webinars, courses, podcasts for each and every person so that they can get aware about the fast-paced world, what is going inside. And yeah, for sure, in knowledge is one of the basic component which we want to transfer to all the students or all the professionals that are attending our sessions, courses, podcasts, anything. Thank you. That's all about it. Thanks.
Thank you, Ali Hasnan, for your presence and taking our time to be with us today. I have been associated with MediTechX for more than 3 years, and the work he and his team is doing is amazing. I will appreciate it if there is anyone who can take any session on any topic can get in touch with him. I would like to take this moment and thank our volunteers. This event is only possible because of these volunteers Ali Hasnan, Kiran Panfani, Sayed Saad, and Muhammad Ahmed. Whether it's about content, post design, or data gathering, they were just one text away to respond and make this thing work. So, thank you so much. A little word of caution for everyone. This career fair is a step in the right direction for you to advance your career, but it does not assure employment. Use the comment section and introduce yourself with your field of interest in email to attract and connect with recruiters. For example, you can write your name, education, current job and employer, and share your LinkedIn ID so get the recruiters can get in contact with you. Kindly apply to only those positions for which you fulfill the criteria. For any query, email us at hrseedforce@gmail.com. Last but not the least, I would like to thank each individual who is viewing it right now. And thank you to all the companies who provided us with the data of their current openings. Without you, this event was not possible. Now let's dive into the job directory and see what openings currently we have in the market. The idea behind this virtual job fair is that we have compiled a directory for multiple vacancies, which our volunteers collected in 1.5 to 2 weeks. We have sorted according to the city and department wise. We will go through each city and whichever job you find suitable, you can apply for that. What you can do is while I am scrolling, you can pause the video, take a screenshot, take time to read, tailor your resume and cover letter, and then apply accordingly. Here I've also mentioned the email address or the website or the LinkedIn ID so you can get in touch with them and apply accordingly. So I'm going to scroll down and you can take a screenshot or pause the video. There are multiple internship opportunities for you as well. So just keep looking for the opportunities which are suitable for you. Here we have mentioned the Google form link, but you can visit their LinkedIn page and you will easily find a post here. Make sure you only apply to only those positions for which you are qualifying, and do tailor your resume for every position you are applying. And also use the comment section of this video to get in touch with the recruiters and introduce yourself in a classy way or in a out of the box way to attract more recruiters for you. Mostly we have received the open positions from the IT company. So yeah, there's a huge scope in that sector right now. Also an internship opportunities available for you. So take your time. If you are an undergraduate, you can apply for these internship programs as well. The developers are high in demand. So whoever is a developer watching you, you've got an opportunity, you've got multiple opportunities for you. Where we have mentioned the LinkedIn, please visit their LinkedIn page and you will find a post over there easily. And you will find an email address or whatever the information is present there. And if you have mentioned the website, just visit their website in the career section. You will find all of these opportunities there. Also, what you can do is search the company on LinkedIn and get connected with the recruiter of that company, the HR person, and then you can add a note over there that you saw an open vacancy on the virtual job fair and you are interested in applying for that. So you see the companies are hiring for multiple opportunities, like Estera Software is hiring for multiple positions, just like we have seen the above. There are multiple opportunities available for you in the market. The main key is about the strategy, how you're applying, how you're tailoring your resume, how you're writing your cover letter, how you're approaching to the recruiter, and how you gave an interview. So this is the main key. So we have a positions from Lahore as well. Here we have mentioned that IBEX is hiring for the network engineer, but I'm sure that they are hiring for multiple opportunities. Do visit their website. You're going to find multiple opportunities over there. We have an opening at Rawalpindi as well. So this is it. So we have tried to gather as many as possible for you and bring you on the one platform. And don't forget to use the comment section and introduce yourself so that the recruiters who are watching can get connected with you as well. Many prayers for you all. Take care. Allah Hafiz.